Park, million thanks, Park, million thanks. Thank you so much. Good morning, guys. Nainiabot sa ako karon, something arrived and I do not know where did this came from because there's no return address. But anyway, yes, my name is there, Ralph Don. Okay, so thank you very much for this. And then inside is the, what is this? Oh! I have a very nice warmer. Oh, thank you so much. This one is a good one. I don't know what is this. Maybe somebody sent me this one. Thank you very much. And some cash. Yeah, there, cash. Thank you so much. Let's make my Christmas good. Somebody give me cash. I don't know how much it is, but anyway, it's all there. I don't have to share how much, but someone give me. And then I have the note that says, oh, the note has nothing on it. Where's the note? Nothing. Ah, it's here. Get well soon, Part. Enjoy. Okay, Part. Thank you very much, Part. Yeah. Thank you very much. 1 million thanks. What can I do? Yeah, but I think I will get well soon. Thank you very much, Part. Thank you for the gift. It helps, Part. It makes me good. It makes me feel good, you know. Because this morning, I wasn't happy with the day I have. But now I'm happy. Yes. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, Part. Let's enjoy, Part. Catch up with you later. Thank you. Million thanks. Hey, Part. Million thanks, Part. Million thanks. Thank you so much.
Started on a Sunday night, feeling deep, ready for the fight. Star resigned, a raging sea. Find my way, just wait and see. All weather storm, I'll rise above. With every heartbeat, I'll choose love. Struck a word, shook my ground, but I'm a fighter, I won't back down. Through shadows, I'll stand tall. With strength inside, conquer it all. Working at Tesco, the day was loud, bustling crowd, felt so proud. But in my head, a different beat, the rhythm steady, strong and sweet. When the doctor spoke, it was words I ground. But I'm a fighter, I won't back down. Through shadows, I'll stand tall, with strength inside, conquer it all. Given, I'll find my strength. That's where I begin. With love as my anchor, I'll forge ahead. A testament of hope where dreams are fed. Stroke a word, shook my ground, but I'm a fighter, I won't back down. Through shadows, I'll stand tall. Strength inside, conquer it all. So here I am, ready to face. With every challenge, I'll find my place. From stormy nights to brighter days, this journey of love, I'll pave the wall.
this is Hannah, yeah? She's the best, giving me exercise to walk today. So I was walking this morning and in the afternoon I started walking.
Yeah, you're doing very good, Ralph. But, concentrate on your walking now.
Okay. This is like
Bye,
walking
everyone.
and selfie already.
Yeah,
Hello
we need to
everybody.
concentrate on our walking.
Okay. Okay, that's it. So that was for today, and thank you guys for watching. It was a very nice walk around for today, and I'd like to reiterate also to thank my part. Thank you very much once again for the gift, and everybody is following me and watching the progress of my stroke journey. Thank you very much. So as of today, December 3, 2024, I was able to go around walking together with a therapist, and they were very good, and they were giving me instructions of how I have to correct my movement, and hopefully it will be a quick process, you know, as long as you have the will. If you've got a stroke, you have to bring that inner willness, you know, your intention to heal yourself. Yeah. Do not be lazy. Just go, and try to do everything, and then you will see that your body will be improving quickly. But if you keep on thinking something that is negative, there are some times when you get so emotional, but you can also try to contain that emotion, especially if you're angry. This very strong emotion, you can contain that one and change it into a will of your strong intention to heal yourself. You know, just give the voice inside your brain, like, heal yourself, something like that, and then you'll see the progress. Like for me, my hands last week was moving very slow, but this is how quick now. Yeah, so quick. So if you are on a stroke journey, I hope I can encourage you, yeah, with what I'm doing, and then please also share this to some of the people that you know that has the same journey with me. They probably will be encouraged. Just go on, fight it, you know, and then you can make it there one day. You'll be back, you'll recover. So my friend, I remember my friend told me that you're already healed. You're just going along with the process. So that's it. Yeah, sometimes we pray to the King of the universe, and we're given the enlightenment that we are already healed, but we have to be patient enough to go with the process. And this is what I'm doing right at the moment. And there are many wonderful days ahead, and we're looking forward to that bright and wonderful day. Yeah. So guys, see you next time on my next video, and with more updates on the progress of my healing. Oh, before I forget, Christmas is here, so I'd like to greet all of you. Merry Christmas. And anyway, it's very close already, but I could not be with everybody, so I'm here. But I just can extend my word and my voice through this YouTube channel to greet you a Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. So just enjoy the holiday season, and it's very good to have a Christmas because it reminds us about the Jesus Christ, the healer. You know, when he was here on this planet, he was healing everybody who is having difficulty with their body, sick, you know, the lepers. healed them, the blind, the people who had probably had a hard time walking, and Jesus heals them. So this is a very good season. It reminds us about the one who is born for us, to help us with our difficulty. So let's be reminded with the Christmas, about the Son of the living Father who sent His Son here. That's what is being told to us, to help us with our difficulty in this planet, and to fix us. Actually, I cannot go into the details of all of that. Maybe in some other videos that I'm going to make, maybe we could talk more about that. But at the moment, I just want to say Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. Cheers, everybody. See you next time on my next updates. And enjoy.